everything we've learned from sections 1, 2, and 3 into some story problems and into some word problems. And so notice what this says. It says the volume of this right triangular prism is 1,440 centimeters cubed. Find the height of the prism. So if you remember, how you find the volume is we take the area of the base times the height. Okay? What shape is the base? Triangle. The base is right here. So let's find the area of this. How we find the area of this is we take 8 times 15 divided by 2. So what's the area of that?
60.
60. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug that in, and I'm going to plug the volume in, and I'll be able to find the height. So volume is 1440. Area of the base is 60. And the height is?
24.
How do you get that?
You divide 144 times 60.
By 60. And you should get your height to be 24 centimeters.
Or you can just do 1440 divided by 15 divided by 8 and 2.
Yeah, because instead of dividing from the base in the first part,
That's what I do.
Well, if that makes sense for you. Okay. So, no. So anyway, 24 centimeters. Let's look at another one. The volume of this sector of a right cylinder is 2,814 meters cubed. Find the radius of the base of the cylinder to the nearest meter. So, area of the base times the height. So what I need to do is, this is the base right here. And so, it's 40 degrees, right? So a circle is how many degrees? 360. So 40 degrees is what part of 360? 1/9. So the area of this will be 1/9 pi r squared. That's going to be the area of this sector. Okay, and now what I need to do in order to find the volume, remember the volume is area of the base times the height. So let's plug in what we know. We know that the volume is 2,814, correct? The area of the base is 1/9 pi r squared. We know that the height is what? 14. So in looking at this, you can see we've only got one variable, that's r. Remember, pi is actually a number. And so in order to solve this, I'm going to go ahead and combine as much stuff as I can. On the left side, I'm going to go ahead and multiply the 9 and the 14. So I end up getting 2,814 equals 14/9 pi r squared. So now to solve this, I'm going to multiply both sides by 9/14. So what is 2,814 times 9/14? 1,800 what? So 1,809 equals pi r squared. What do you do now? Divide by pi. So go ahead and do that. 575. Just a second. We had a brain lapse there. Okay. 575.80. 825841. Okay, that's going to equal r squared. How do you undo the square? You find the square root. So go ahead and take the square root for me. And what do you get r to equal?
23.99.
So 23.9960 would be 24.0. Now the reason why we put the 0.0 is to indicate we've rounded it, that it's not exactly 24. And our label will be meters.
That's the radius.
That is the radius. That's what it comes out to be.
Oh, the
Okay,
same
well, that's what I
dotted
got
line.
earlier, and I was like, well, that's
So, anyway, we'll come back and look for it. Let's go ahead and write the assignment down. Page 548, 1 through 8. This will be due Monday. Okay, you'll have tomorrow to work on it.